Don't even give a hint that you're happy or something good came your way, because they don't want to hear you being happy or some good coming your way. This is actually a pretty insightful way of the Quran telling us that there are some people who are psychologically so insecure, they're so on the edge, that they may not even understand what you've said to them, what you've shared with them. But if there's even the slightest hint that in what you shared with them there is something praiseworthy of you, some good came to you, if that much is there, even if they don't get it, they're gonna go crazy. They're just on the edge. They're just waiting to hear something to snap. A kid will say something to his brothers and not think twice about it. Actually, even adults, we don't think twice about it. In this ayah, we are learning to be conscious, have emotional intelligence, and be conscious of the people around us, especially even within our family, who are on the verge of snapping. They're holding on by a thread. Don't say a word. Forget saying all of it. Don't even give a hint that you're happy or something good came your way, because they don't want to hear you being happy or some good coming your way. That is going to be enough for them, and they are going to be capable of very bad.